Now students, let's start our question which given in page number 117. 117 में questions दिए हैं. Question number 6. This type of question we have already done in our previous class. Now take some examples of this question. First question is half of 1 rupee. 1 rupee है. 1 rupee में कितने पैसे होते हैं? 100 पैसे होते हैं ना, सबको पता है. 1 rupees मतलब 100 पैसा. सो 100 पैसे को हाफ करना है आपको. ठीक. सो व्हाट इज द आंसर? हाउ कैन यू फाइंड आउट द आंसर ऑफ दिस? लेट्स सी. ओके, सेम एज वी ऑल्सो solve the question number B, C and D on the board. Now let's see. Now page number 117, question number 6, a half of 1 rupee. 1 rupee means 100 paisa. So you can do the half of 100 paisa. How can you do? In place of half, you have to write down 1 upon 2. In place of multiplication, 1 rupee means 100 paisa. Okay, whatever you have to write in first line, same thing you have to write in second line in the mathematical form. Okay, now 100 divided by 2. 100 upon 2, it means 100 divided by 2. In the rough work, you have to do the division, or otherwise you have to do the cancellation. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10 and 0. Or you have to do the division in rough work. 2 5s are 10, 0 0, 2 zeros are 0. So 50 paisa. Half of 1 rupee is 50 paisa. Okay, this is question number A. Now students, from the same exercise you have to do question number B. ठीक है, अभी A किया था, अब B. B question is 1/3 of an hour. R means 1 hour, 1 घंटा है ना. In 1 hour, how many minutes? 60 minutes. So same line you have to do write in mathematical form. 1/3 means 1 upon 3. Of means multiplication, and hour means 60 minute. So 1/3 of 60 minute. Again, you have to divide the 60 into 3 parts, or by using cancellation, or by using division. 3 2s are 6, 0 0. ऐसे भी कर सकते हो, ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. But it is better for you. You have to do the practice of this. 3 1s are 3, 3 20s are 60. So 20 minutes. 1/3 of an hour is 20 minutes. Okay, this is question number B. Question number C, 1/6 of a dozen. Dozen means 12. जैसे हम 1 डजन बनाना लेते हैं तो 12 बनाना आ जाते हैं ना. डजन means 12. So 1/6 of 12. 12 ones are 12, 6 ones are 6, which we have already done in previous class. So 6 ones are 6, 6 2s are 12. 2 is the answer. Okay. Now come to the next, fourth and last question. 1/3 of 21 balls. So again 1/3 of means multiplication. 21 balls. 21 ones are 21. 3 divide the 21 into 3 parts. 3 ones are 3. 3 7s are 21. That is 7 balls. Okay students, so like this we have done all the 4 questions which we given in page numbers 117, question number. So like this we have solved these 4 questions in the board, and you have to solve these 4 questions in your copy. Okay, now come to the next question. So in this question, the question is Reyansh has 8 pencils. 5 of them do not have eraser at the other end, and what is the fraction pencils which do not have eraser at the end? Reyan ने 8 pencils लिए हैं. In few pencils there are at the back side erasers है, कुछ में erasers नहीं है. So how many pencils are there? Total pencils 8. Total 8 pencils थे. Number of pencils without eraser, do not have eraser. How many pencils? 5 of the pencil which do not have eraser. So number of pencils without eraser is 5. Okay. Fraction of the pencil without eraser, अभी हमने नंबर्स के फॉर्म में लिखा था. अब सेम आंसर यू हैव टू राइट डाउन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फ्रैक्शन. दैट इज 5 out of 8. ओके, 8 में से 5 पेंसिल्स में इरेजर नहीं है. दिस इज द फ्रैक्शन आंसर इन द फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म. ओके, नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ऑब्जर्व एंड कलर व्हील. दिस कलर व्हील यू हैव टू बी ऑब्जर्व. देयर आर सो मेनी कलर्स इन दिस व्हील. व्हाट इज द फ्रैक्शन ऑफ द सर्कल इज येलो. इसमें येलो कलर के फ्रैक्शन, जो येलो कलर है उसका फ्रैक्शन क्या होगा. So what you have to do? You have to first count the total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Out of 8, 3 are in yellow color. So what is the fraction of yellow color? 3 upon 8. Okay. What is the fraction of the color not red? जो रेड नहीं है उनका कलर. तो रेड तो 2 है, 8 में से 2 रेड है, बाकी रेड नहीं है. सो जो बाकी रेड नहीं है वो कितने हैं? 6 out of 8. This is the answer of this question. Fraction of the circle which is not red. So not red is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are not red out of 8. So here total, this is the question which we have solved orally. But same the question is given here in the form of detail. जैसे total part of the circle is 8. Total yellow part is 3. Fraction representing yellow part is 3 by 8. Same as the part of the circle which is not red is 6. Fraction which is not red is 6 by 8. Okay. Like this you have to solve this question in your copy. Question number 1 and question number 2 which is given on page number 117. Okay. Like this you have to be solved. Now students, come to the next question which is given on page number 118. 118 में आपका ये question दिया है. To make a cake we need 2/5 cups of white flour and 1/5 cups of whole wheat flour. Okay. केक बनाने के लिए फ्रैक्शन दिया है. 5 में से 2 कप्स व्हाइट फ्लावर होते हैं और 5 में से 1 कप आपका दूसरे फ्लावर होते हैं. सो यू हैव टू टेल कि हाउ मच फ्लावर वी नीड टू टोटल मेक द केक. टोटल कितने हुए? अब एक व्हाइट फ्लावर पता है, होल व्हीट फ्लावर पता है, यू हैव टू नो द टोटल. सो व्हाट ऑपरेशन यू हैव टू डू? ऑपरेशन ऑफ एडिशन. सो हाउ कैन यू डू? Fraction of white flour. Fraction of white flour is 2/5. Okay. Fraction of whole wheat flour is 1/5. So total fraction is 2/5 plus 1/5 is 5. Denominator is as it is. You have to add only the numerator part. Okay. So the answer is 2 plus 1, 3/5. Okay. Like this you have to solve this question. Next question. Abhay spent 3/12 hours of a day in school. If he studied 2/12 hours, 3/12 एक दिन में पढ़ रहा है, जिसमें से 2/12 hours ही पूरे स्कूल में, दिन का पूरा 12 में से 3 hours वो स्कूल में स्पेंड कर रहा है, जिसमें से 2 hours, 12 में से 2 hours वो स्टडीज में कर रहा है. सो व्हाट इज द फ्रैक्शन hours is left? What fraction of the hour is left for him for the other activities? तो other activities में वो कितना स्पेंड कर रहा है. सो कैसे करेंगे आप इसको? फ्रैक्शन ऑफ स्पेंड टाइम इन स्कूल. इन स्कूल में कितना टाइम स्पेंड कर रहा है, फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म में लिखना है तो 3/12. Okay. Fraction of time spend in studies. स्टडीज में कितना फ्रैक्शन ऑफ टाइम ले रहा है वो? 2/12. सो अदर एक्टिविटीज, पढ़ाई के लिए इतना है, इस टोटल टाइम इतना है, जिसमें से इतने टाइम वो पढ़ रहा है, तो टोटल एक्टिविटीज में कितना टाइम देगा वो? सो हाउ कैन यू फाइंड? 3/12 minus 2/12, that is 12 is the base, the denominator, 3 minus 2 is 1/12 is the answer. Okay. So like this both the question of page number 118 and the question which is given in page number 117, 3 question you have to done in your copy like this. Now we complete our syllabus and from the next class we start the revision. Okay, thank you.